So I'm working on the model here, getting various copies of the same model exploded and spread apart and set up so that I can create scenes. And so I'll get all of these prepped up, and I will do another model here where I'll set aside a section for doing the individual parts and putting dimensions on them and layout. And those I'll delete a bunch of pieces so that any repetitive pieces will be just showing one and showing you make 4 of these or 3 of these, whatever number that is. And I'll show all of the hardware as well. And then once I get this all done, I will then go back in and create sections. And once I get the sections all done and everything cleaned up, then I will start making my scenes, and I'll make all the scenes I need. And then once that's done, I will be ready to go into layout and start to actually create the plans. So here we're looking at about 3 hours worth of work in 3 minutes. Enjoy.